are leaving our anchorage for the last 3 extremely exciting days.
Too exciting.
Too exciting. The boom flew, the dinghy needed to be rescued almost. The waves were enormous. The wind, anyways, it was dramatic. Right ahead of us is some caverns that unfortunately, because of this extreme weather, I did not have a chance to go exploring and do some light spelunking, amateur spelunking. Just passing John, steering,
You're
having
steering.
a great time,
How you doing?
tacking. The view from inside the cabinet. It's raining, it's foggy, and this is me in my kitchen.
It is August 20th. We are going through the Sound of Islay, which is the passage between the island of Islay and Jura. And we're a little nervous about that because we were afraid there'd be a lot of wind against us and a lot of current. But it turns out we do have the current, of course. The wind isn't so bad. It's kind of what was forecast, which is surprising. And so far so good. We have some rain, which is why I'm shooting inside the doghouse because it's pouring rain. But we're getting through it, and hopefully we'll arrive at our anchorage on the other side of Jura before dark. That's my goal. It's kind of grim to be out here in the rain and the dark. These are the so-called paps of Jura. Paps meaning rest, I think. A little bit of sunshine, a lot, but a little bit. Yeah, that's the Brain or something like that. I can't say any of these words. Distillery. That was recommended to us by some guy. I had a little taste of it. They're $500 scotch. I'm not going to buy that, but I might go for their 12-year-old. Some swans. We haven't seen any swans before. They're trying to get out of our way. They don't like us at all. And the Craighouse distillery. Should try all these. Here we are in Craig's. What is it called? Craig something?
Jura.
Craigsburg or something. On the island of Jura. This is the main settlement here, and we are on a mooring. Up there. We're going to have to have a mooring after all these anchoring with high winds and blah blah blah.
And dragging.
Dragging.
Stress.
Stress.
Of dragging.
And it's Monday, August 20th or 21st, something like that, and we are at the Jura Whiskey Distillery. A place made famous by podcasts. Another advertising. This is the famous Jura Whiskey Distillery. And we're going to take a tour of it in a few minutes. Oh, and there's Elena. And we got the Jura Hotel here where we're going to take a shower. And they have lunch. So we're going to have a great day. Here on the island of Jura, the berries are finally ripe. And the sheep are sleeping. How are the berries?
Delicious. They're ripe. They're properly perfect for eating.
Let's see if I can zoom in.
There's a lot of them. Lucky. They're so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't they?
Yeah, they're good.
Winding down our Scottish vacation in Jura Island, and famous for antlers, whiskey, stags, gin, what other they have? What other spirit they have? Rum, you name it. This island has it all. And the best-selling whiskey in the UK.